Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install factory firmware on SONY Xperia XA F3111. Okay, first we need to visit this page, HardReset.Info, then go into Download, and in here type Sony, click on Search, and now we need to download this file, SONY Xperia PC Companion software. Simply click on Download and then hit the download button once again to start the downloading. Now we need to launch our app. Okay, here it is. Okay, now click on Agree. Select the destination folder, it can be the default one, then click on Next. Oh, actually I will create a new one maybe. Okay. Then click on Next, click on Install, and now a few important things. Make sure that your Sony is loaded. We need to have at least 60% of our battery. It's the best if the phone has 100%. In my case, it has 93%, so everything will be okay. And second thing is that after installing the factory firmware, everything will be deleted from our device. So remember about it. But the only thing that will remain is our Google account. So after the process, when we get into the setup process, we will have to sign in into our Google account, into which we are currently logged in on our device. In my case, I have logged out, so it won't pop out. If you don't remember your password into your Google account, there is a chance that you'll have to perform a bypass of that Google verification. Also on our channel we have a lot of videos how to perform that bypass, so I'm sure that you will handle it. In my case, I have simply logged out of my Google account before I will start the process. Alright, now select Run Xperia Companion, click on Finish. Okay, the app has launched. Now click on that icon. Select that my Google account details. That's the thing that I was talking about like 10 seconds ago. You can also read about it right in here. Please make sure you know your Google account username and password before proceeding. Failure to provide Google credentials after a software installation might render the device completely unusable, so have that in mind. Select it and then click on Next. Now select that you understand that your personal content will be erased from your device, then click on Next. And now we need to connect our phone into our computer using USB cable. But before, we need to turn off our device. So hold this button and select Power Off. Okay, now it says that we need to wait at least 5 seconds. And now we need to hold volume down button, and then while we are holding that button, we need to insert our cable. So keep holding volume down and plug the cable. Okay, it should appear in our app, something like that, repair details. Okay, and now we need to click on Next. And now the downloading process has begun. We can see downloading software. This bar is fulfilling. So now we just need to simply wait until this process is finished. It's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's done. Simply don't disconnect the device from your computer and wait. Okay, the repair is finished, as you can see. Now we just need to disconnect our device, so unplug the cable, and remember that the first startup after That process might take longer than usual. You can read it right in here on the screen in your app. Alright, so now we can click on Home, and now simply let's turn on our device. We need to keep holding a little bit. Alright, the logo appeared, and now let's wait a little until the phone turns on, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, the phone has turned on, as you can see, and now all we need to do is to go through the setup process, and after that our device will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.